This video demonstrates how to place an iPad and shield. Wash your hands and don PPE. You will need Steri strips, sticky tape, an iPad, shield and scissors. Prepare your equipment. Explain what you're going to do and gain consent. Remind the patient to do their best not to open the eye under the pad and shield. If the eye cannot close, then first Steri strip the lids shut. Ask the patient to try to gently close both eyelids. Place the strip on the upper lid, pulling it down to close the lids, then stick to the lower lid and cheek. Use 2 or 3 Steri strips. Next, place a piece of sticky tape across the iPad that is roughly 2 to 3 times the length of the pad. Fold the pad in half and place over the closed lids. Place the pad with sticky tape over the folded pad and secure to the forehead. Add another 2 or 3 pieces of sticky tape. Finally, place a length of sticky tape over the shield. Position over the iPad and secure to the forehead, then cheek. Add a second length of sticky tape.